My uncle just said that this song I'm listening to is nice. Okay, it's Pretty Girl by Lama and Bestie. He goes, do you have any dope para my YouTube channel? This video will be recreating a hairstyle I saw on Instagram Explore page. So for this particular hairstyle, we need your rubber band, the colored ribbons for designing. You need the hair wax for your edge, or you just use your eco styling gel. And this is the eco styling gel. Gone. Can you see it? Yes, this is eco styling gel. And different combs, your edge brush, your hair moisturizer, your brush. So firstly, we use our hair moisturizer. It's basically water you'd use to moisturize your hair so to be easier to comb.
You lie.
Proceed to dividing our hair, then we make the puffs and keep the center for our wherever. You get what I'm saying? You get it?
You get it?
Okay.
If you don't get it, forget.
Let's imagine this is the part we're clearing for the side parting. So clear it properly. You have to make it nice because you know it's coming like this. So it's not neat enough. That's to put in more emphasis on it. She'll get.
African lady, she a fan gear. She wanna roll with me, a champ here. I can let you roll in my mind, yeah. Let me trust you.
We divide the rest of the hair into 4 places. That's 4 folds. Let's start right. Divided it into 2, so we divide each 2 into 2, making everything 4. We proceed to applying eco styling gel at the tip so to be firm. So we'll use the gel and apply on this part while coating everything with our ribbon.
Back it up when you wine for me. Slide it down when you're down for me. African girl, you know you by ear. Trust it, girl, your heart here. Wanna be, you know, your charm here. Wanna be, you know, your charm here. Pretty girl, wanna wine for me. I'm the one with the harmony. Back it up when you wine for me. Slide it down when you're down for me. African girl, you know you by ear. Trust in it, girl, your heart here. Wanna be, you know, your charm here. Wanna be, you know, your charm here.
Let's make time here. You and I here. Can deny, yeah. Can deny, yeah. One more time here. You and I here. Let's make time, yeah. Let's make time, yeah. Sing for me, I just wanna be your harmony. Oh, you right for me.
I can let you roll in my mind, yeah. Let me trust you with my heart, girl. African lady, she a fan gear. She wanna roll with me, a champ here. I can let you roll in my mind, yeah. Let me trust you with my heart, girl.
So guys,
African lady, she a fan gear. She wanna roll with me, a champ here.
Explore page, but I tried because my hair is virgin hair and so huge because it's like silking it down. So I'm about to do a job. So guys, that's all for today's video. I'm heading out to take pictures. So please do well to like, subscribe, share, and yeah, that's all. Thank you for staying.
Back it up when you wine for me. Slide it down when you're down for me. African girl, you know you by ear. Trust in it, girl, your heart here. Wanna be, you know, your charm here. Wanna be, you know.